here to do my everyday makeup routine. Now this is actually super simple and it's probably like not exciting, but I wanted to share with you guys anyway because this is what I do every single day. If I do wear makeup, I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do want to look put together for school, or if I like woke up late for work, I always just do this look and run out the door because it's super simple and easy if you get the hang of it. My brows take me the longest, so if I do that really fast, this look can take me about 10 to 15 minutes to do. So I hope you guys find this helpful, and if not, just watch it because I recorded it. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. I will be starting off with brows. Even though it's kind of like what I do on an everyday basis, I like my brows to be really like defined still. It's just my personal preference. So I'm gonna go in with a brow pencil. This is the ColourPop brow pencil in black and brown. I love this, and I'm just gonna outline my brows. This makes it go a little bit faster, so I like to use this every day if I'm rushing. I also don't have contacts or glasses on purely for the fact that it is already 12:51. I told you guys that I like film super late. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna take this spoolie end and brush out my brows. Just gonna outline my brows. So for my brows, I like to outline it first, and I like to outline the bottom part of my brows longer and kind of stop around here with the top of my brow. So next, I'm just gonna take my brow brush. This is my trusty brow brush from Essence, and I'm just gonna take my brow pomade. This is the ColourPop black and brown pomade, and to get the kind of fading effect, a lot of people ask me how I do this, and honestly, it's just practice. Not even 2 years ago, but a year ago, I had really bad brows, and it just is practice. So what I like to do is I like to pack on the product onto my brush, and I go in on the end of the brow so that most of the product is like getting put on the end, so it's darker, and the ones in front of the brow kind of has less product. So you want to make sure that you are distributing the product. So this step is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but I personally do it all the time. So I take my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just gonna carve out my brows. I always do this if it's an everyday or even like my full glam face. I do this all the time. I'm just gonna take this brush. This brush is supposed to be a nose contouring brush, but I don't nose contour, so I just use it to blend out my brows. So I'm gonna move on to my face. So I usually use the Professional Matte Rescue Primer. This isn't actually a primer, it's just like a gel, like kind of base for your face. I guess it is a primer. But I ran out, like I've squeezed the life out of this, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. But for now, I will just use the Baby Skin Pore Eraser from Maybelline. Put this on my T-zone and my forehead, because that's where I get really oily throughout the day. So I'm just going to be taking the Photo Focus foundation in Classic Beige by Wet n Wild, and this has been my go-to foundation lately. It's really super easy to use, and it's just nice on my skin. I really like it. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. I like to work in sections, so I'm just gonna do the bottom part of my face first. I'm just gonna blend it in with this damp Pure Cosmetics Beauty Blender. It's super dirty, I'm sorry. I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal that I used on my brows. I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm just going to use the Bare Minerals Translucent Powder Duo, and I use the matte side. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this one from BH Cosmetics in 124. So to set the entire face, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte by Rimmel, and this is in creamy beige. I'm just going to put this kind of all over my face. So I don't really like contouring every single day, so I just bronze my face, and I always use this one, and this is from Pure, and this is the Mineral Glow Bronzing Powder, and I broke it just now. This is a crown brush, and it's faded. The name's faded, so I'm not sure what it's called, but it's this really fat kind of fan brush. So I've been using the Tarte Party blush for blush lately, and I'm just going to use this blush brush from Moda Pro. This is a pointed blush brush. I'm just going to kind of do that on my cheeks. Not too much. I don't really like blush, but I feel like I always have to do the blush because I'm so used to it. So for highlight, I always highlight. I don't care if it's an everyday makeup look, I will highlight a lot. So I'm going to be using the Becca Prosecco Pop highlighter. And this is my go-to highlighter lately. It is amazing. I love it. This is a BH Cosmetics 126 brush. That is my face makeup all done, ready to go. I just curled my lashes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Tarteist mascara. So I've done that. If I have extra time, I usually put lashes on if I have time, but if not, I just leave it. Most of the time I just leave it like this. I'm going to take the ColourPop Lippie pencil in Cheat, and I'm just going to outline my lips. Once I've done that, I'm going to take this Makeup Geek liquid lipstick. It's my perfect nude, and I'm just going to go and put it all over my lips. So I'm just going to use a setting spray. This is the Project Beauty Spray Set Go Makeup Setting Spray. I don't usually use this one, but I don't want to waste, low-key, don't want to waste my Urban Decay All-Nighter because I'm going to have to take this off in like 2 seconds. But yeah, I just want to melt all of the powders in because it is such a super matte kind of look. So this is the complete makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a super simple makeup look, but I wanted to share with you guys anyway because it's just my go-to, and everyone has that go-to look that they have when they need to get out the door, and you know, this is mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box below. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!